Ladies and gentlemen, in a world buzzing with noise, opinions and distractions, the most powerful thing you can do is turn inward, focus on yourself, not to escape the world, but to understand your own story, your dreams, your struggles. True power lies in focusing on your own growth and ignoring external noise. This is a lesson that many overlook in the race to prove themselves to the world. But the reality is simple. The world will always have opinions, distractions, and comparisons ready to pull you away from your path. When you focus on your own growth, you build a strong foundation that no storm can shake. Growth is personal. It cannot be measured by others' standards or achievements because your journey is unique. It requires attention, patience, and most importantly, silence. Silence is the canvas on which growth paints its masterpiece. Without silence, your mind becomes a battlefield, cluttered with doubt and distraction. You have to quiet that noise first, before you can truly hear the voice inside that guides you to progress. Ignoring external noise does not mean you shut yourself off from the world. It means you decide what deserves your attention. Social media, gossip, unsolicited advice, they all compete for your energy. But only a fraction of it serves your purpose. Choosing to focus on yourself means saying no to what pulls you away from your dreams. It means filtering out the static to hear the melody of your own ambitions. This is where real power begins, when your actions are no longer reactions to outside forces, but deliberate steps towards your vision. When you focus inward, you become self-aware. You understand your strengths and weaknesses. You recognize your patterns and learn to change what no longer serves you. This kind of growth is slow but steady, and it builds resilience. You develop an inner compass that keeps you on course even when the world tries to distract or discourage you. People will talk, they will compare and criticize. But if your focus is on your growth, their noise loses meaning. It becomes background static to your personal soundtrack. The power of focusing on yourself also lies in discipline. It takes discipline to resist the urge to constantly check what others are doing or saying about you. It takes discipline to prioritize your goals over fleeting distractions. But discipline breeds freedom. Freedom from the anxiety of needing approval or validation. Freedom from the exhausting race of competing with others. Instead, you compete only with yourself, to be better than you were yesterday. Moreover, focusing on growth means embracing discomfort. Growth is rarely comfortable. It asks you to face your fears, to break habits, to step into the unknown. But when your attention is on yourself, you find the strength to endure this discomfort. You remind yourself that every challenge is a lesson, every setback an opportunity to learn. This mindset transforms obstacles into stepping stones. Ignoring external noise also protects your mental health. The constant barrage of information and opinions can overwhelm and confuse. By choosing to focus on yourself, you create boundaries that preserve your peace. You become selective about what you consume and who you let influence your emotions. This creates a sanctuary within, where your mind can rest and recharge. Focusing on your growth makes your life purposeful. Without a clear focus, life becomes reactive, living according to others' expectations or circumstances. But when your focus is on your growth, you live intentionally. Each day has meaning because it is dedicated to becoming a better version of yourself. This purpose fuels motivation and joy, even in tough times. In essence, true power is not about controlling the outside world, but mastering your inner world. When you focus on your own growth and ignore external noise, you unlock a wellspring of strength, clarity, and peace. You become the author of your story, the captain of your ship, steering steadily through life's storms. This focus is the foundation of success, happiness, and true freedom. Silence is often misunderstood. Many think of it as emptiness, as a void where nothing happens. But silence is far from empty. It is a powerful space where healing begins and clarity takes root. In a world filled with constant noise, chatter, and endless distractions, silence offers a rare and precious gift. It is in silence that we step away from the chaos and tune into the deeper parts of ourselves that often go unheard. When you choose silence, you create a sanctuary for your mind and heart, a place to rest, reflect, and recharge. Healing cannot happen without silence. When life overwhelms us, when pain or confusion cloud our thoughts, the noise around us only adds weight to our burden. Silence cuts through that noise. It gives us room to breathe, to feel, and to process what we are going through. It is in these quiet moments that wounds start to mend, not because silence fixes everything instantly, but because it gives space for understanding and acceptance. Healing needs time and attention, and silence is the environment where this attention can be focused fully. It is like a calm lake where reflections become clear, instead of a stormy sea where everything is tossed around. Silence also brings clarity. When your world is loud and busy, your thoughts can become jumbled, making it hard to see what truly matters. By stepping into silence, you create distance from the noise and gain perspective. This distance allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings without immediately reacting to them. In silence, confusion gives way to understanding. You start to see your challenges, desires, and priorities more clearly. This clarity helps you make better decisions, set healthy boundaries, and focus on what truly serves your growth. Another important aspect of silence is that it teaches patience. In silence, you learn to wait without rushing for answers or quick fixes. You become comfortable with not having everything figured out right away. This patience is a strength because it allows you to face uncertainty without panic. You accept that some things need time to unfold naturally. In this waiting, you gain wisdom and resilience, learning that silence is not absence, but presence. Presence with yourself and your journey. Silence is also a way to protect your energy. When you constantly engage in conversations, debates, or conflicts, your energy gets drained. Not every noise deserves your attention or response. Choosing silence means you decide where to invest your energy wisely. You don't have to explain yourself to everyone or defend your choices to those who don't understand. Silence keeps your energy focused on what really matters: your healing, your growth, your peace. The practice of silence can be challenging at first. Our world encourages us to speak out, to share our thoughts immediately, and to stay connected at all times. But learning to embrace silence is a form of self-care and strength. It is a choice to listen more and talk less, to observe rather than react. This practice helps build inner calm and reduces anxiety. It also improves your relationships, because when you speak from a place of silence and thoughtfulness, your words carry more meaning and impact. Silence is not a sign of weakness or fear. On the contrary, it is an act of bravery. It takes courage to resist the pressure to respond quickly or to prove yourself in every situation. It takes strength to hold your peace when others try to provoke or distract you. This kind of silence is a powerful statement. It shows that you are in control of your mind and emotion. It shows that you respect yourself enough to protect your inner world. Moreover, silence helps you connect with your intuition. When the noise stops, you can hear the quiet voice inside that guides you towards what is right for you. This inner guidance is often drowned out by external opinions and worries. By sitting in silence regularly, You sharpen your ability to trust yourself. You learn to distinguish between fear and wisdom, between fleeting emotions and deeper truth. In many spiritual traditions, silence is seen as the path to enlightenment and peace. It is the language of the soul that speaks when words fall short. Silence invites you to slow down, to be present, and to experience life fully without distraction. It reminds you that sometimes the greatest answers come not from talking more, but from listening deeply. Ultimately, silence creates a sacred space where you can meet yourself honestly and kindly. It allows you to release what no longer serves you and to embrace what nurtures your soul. This space is where true healing and clarity grow, forming the foundation for a life lived with intention and peace. Actions speak louder than words in showing your true value. This is a lesson as old as time, but often forgotten in today's fast-paced, talk-heavy world. People can say many things, promises, excuses, explanations, but it is what they do that reveals their real character. Words can be empty or misleading, but actions are concrete proof of who you are and what you stand for. When you focus on your actions rather than just what you say, you build trust, respect, and credibility. Words are easy to say and often given without much thought. Anyone can claim to be hardworking, kind, or trustworthy, but it is only through consistent actions that these qualities are proven. For example, telling someone you care means nothing if you do not show up when they need you or treat them with respect in daily life. Actions are the language of authenticity. They bridge the gap between intention and reality. Your true value is reflected in how you behave, especially when no one is watching. Actions reveal your priorities and values more than any speech or explanation ever could. Someone who consistently acts with integrity, kindness, and responsibility shows the world what matters to them. These actions become a silent but powerful message about who they are. On the other hand, words without matching actions can quickly lead to disappointment and mistrust. Another important point is that actions have a lasting impact. Words can be forgotten or misunderstood, but actions leave a mark. A simple act of kindness or a moment of courage can change someone's life or inspire others in ways words never will. Your actions build your reputation over time, creating a legacy that speaks for itself. This is why focusing on what you do is more valuable than focusing on what you say you will do. Actions also create momentum. Taking steps toward your goals, no matter how small, moves you forward. Talking about your dreams without action keeps you stuck in the same place. When you act, you demonstrate commitment to your growth and success. This commitment builds confidence and opens doors that words alone cannot. It is also important to remember that actions speak louder than words in relationships. Showing love, respect, and support through action strengthens bonds far more than empty compliments or promises. People feel valued and understood when they experience consistent, thoughtful behavior from those around them. This builds trust and deepens connections. Sometimes words can create misunderstandings or false expectations. Promises not kept or explanations given without follow-through can hurt relationships and damage credibility. Actions help avoid this by showing clear, undeniable proof of your intentions. When your actions align with your words, you create harmony and trust. On a personal level, focusing on actions builds self-respect. When you keep your promises to yourself through deliberate actions, you reinforce your belief in your own abilities and values. This self-respect fuels further growth and encourages you to hold yourself accountable. It breaks the cycle of empty talk and moves you toward real progress. Actions also communicate your boundaries and standards. By how you behave, you show what you will accept and what you will not. This clarity helps others understand and respect you better. For example, consistently acting with honesty signals that deceit is not tolerated. These unspoken messages shape how people treat you and interact with you. Moreover, actions can inspire and lead others. Leaders are not just people who talk about vision, they are those who act on it. When you demonstrate dedication, kindness, and courage through your actions, others are motivated to follow your example. This influence is far more powerful than words alone. It is important to note that actions do not have to be grand gestures to be meaningful. Small, consistent actions like listening carefully, offering help, or keeping your word build trust and value over time. These daily actions form the foundation of your character and reputation. When you focus on your actions, you avoid the trap of empty promises and superficial appearances. You become someone whose word means something because it is backed by consistent behavior. This integrity becomes your greatest asset in all areas of life, personal, professional, and social. In essence, your true value is not what you say, but what you do. Actions are the most honest expression of who you are. They create trust, build relationships, and drive progress. By prioritizing actions over words, you live authentically and inspire others to do the same. Comparing yourself to others drains your energy. Focus inward instead. This is one of the toughest habits to break because we live in a world that constantly invites comparison. Social media alone is a non-stop highlight reel of other people's successes, beauty, achievements, and lifestyles. It's easy to scroll through and start measuring yourself against someone else's best moments. But what this comparison really does is steal your joy, confidence, and focus. Instead of building you up, it tears you down, leaving you feeling less than, insecure, or stuck. When you compare yourself to others, you lose sight of your own unique journey. Every person's path is different, shaped by their experiences, challenges, and timing. What works for one might not work for another, and what someone else has achieved doesn't lessen your own worth or potential. But comparison tricks your mind into believing you are not enough as you are. It makes you focus on what you lack instead of what you have. This drain on your energy can stop you from moving forward or trying new things because you're too busy feeling inadequate or jealous. Focusing inward instead is a radical but freeing choice. It means turning your attention away from the noise of other people's lives and tuning into your own. What are your goals? What makes you happy? What are your strengths and areas to improve? When you focus inward, you start to appreciate your own progress, no matter how small it seems. You celebrate your wins quietly and honestly, without needing external validation. This internal focus builds your self-worth from the inside out, making you less vulnerable to outside opinions or comparisons. Another important part of focusing inward is understanding that growth is not a race. You don't have to compete with anyone else to prove your value. Your pace is your own, and comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10 is unfair and unrealistic. Everyone starts somewhere, and the only person you should compete with is the person you were yesterday. This mindset shifts your energy from envy to motivation, encouraging you to improve for yourself, not for others. Comparison also distracts you from your purpose. When you're busy looking sideways at what others are doing, you lose sight of your own goals and dreams. You spend energy trying to copy, imitate, or catch up instead of creating your own path. Focusing inward brings you back to what matters, your passions, values, and vision. It helps you set clear personal goals that align with who you truly are, rather than chasing what looks good from the outside. The energy wasted in comparison is often emotional too. It can cause anxiety, stress, and sadness. Constantly feeling like you're falling behind or not measuring up can weigh heavily on your mental health. Focusing inward promotes self-compassion and kindness. You learn to be patient with yourself and recognize that imperfection is part of being human. This gentleness towards yourself creates a healthy mindset where you can grow without harsh judgment or pressure. It also helps you build resilience. When you focus on your own progress and efforts, setbacks feel like learning opportunities. Rather than failure, you stop fearing criticism or rejection because your self-worth is not tied to external approval. This resilience strengthens your confidence and pushes you forward, even when things get tough. Focusing inward doesn't mean ignoring others or refusing inspiration. It means being selective about whose success you admire and how you use that admiration. You can learn from others without feeling less than. You can celebrate other people's achievements while still valuing your own. This balanced perspective keeps your energy positive and forward moving. The practice of focusing inward is like tuning an instrument. The more you do it, the clearer your purpose and values become. You start to notice when comparison tries to creep in and gently bring your attention back to yourself. This daily habit builds a strong foundation of self-awareness and confidence. When you focus inward, you also become more present in your life. You stop rushing to be somewhere else or someone else. You learn to enjoy your own company and find contentment in the moment. This presence reduces anxiety about the future and regrets about the past, allowing you to live more fully and peacefully. Ultimately, breaking free from comparison frees up a huge amount of energy that can be poured into your own dreams, health, relationships, and happiness. It allows you to be authentic instead of trying to fit into someone else's mold. It gives you permission to grow at your own pace and celebrate your unique gifts. Personal growth requires protecting your energy from distractions. This is a truth that often gets lost in the busyness of modern life. We live in a world designed to pull our attention in 1,000 directions at once. Social media notifications, endless emails, noise from people around us, and a constant flood of information. If you want to grow, improve, and reach your goals, you must become intentional about where you spend your energy. Your energy is limited, it is not infinite. Without protection, it gets drained quickly, leaving you tired, unfocused, and stuck. Protecting your energy starts with awareness. You have to notice what activities, people, or habits take away your focus or leave you feeling exhausted. Sometimes these distractions are obvious, like getting lost scrolling through social media for hours. Other times, they are more subtle, like engaging in negative conversations or worrying about things beyond your control. Identifying these energy drains is the first step because you cannot protect what you do not recognize. Once you know what distracts you, you must set boundaries. Boundaries are not just about saying no to others. They are about saying yes to yourself. Saying no to a social event, a toxic conversation, or an unnecessary task is a way to guard your energy for what matters most. Boundaries create a safe space for your mind and body to focus on growth instead of survival. They protect your peace and help you avoid burnout. Distractions also come from inside your own mind, thoughts that pull you away from the present moment. Worrying about the past or the future, doubting yourself, or obsessing over what others think can all sabotage your energy. Personal growth requires learning how to calm this inner noise through mindfulness, meditation, or simple breathing exercise. When you protect your energy internally, you create mental clarity and emotional balance that support your progress. Another way to protect your energy is by managing your environment. The people you spend time with, the places you go, and even the media you consume impact your energy level. Surrounding yourself with supportive, positive people who inspire you makes a big difference. Similarly, creating a physical space that is organized and free from clutter helps reduce distractions. When your environment supports your goals, it becomes easier to stay focused and motivated. Technology, while useful, is a major source of distraction. It is designed to grab your attention and keep you hooked. Protecting your energy means being intentional with technology. This might include setting time limits on apps, turning off non-essential notifications, or designating phone-free times during your day. These small changes can create big improvements in your ability to focus and grow. Personal growth also requires energy protection by prioritizing rest and self-care. When you are tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, your ability to focus and learn decreases significantly. Rest is not a luxury, it is a necessity for growth. Sleep, breaks, healthy food, and movement all contribute to maintaining high energy levels. Without these basics, your growth efforts will be less effective and harder to sustain. Protecting your energy means being selective about commitment. Saying yes to every opportunity or request may feel productive, but it often leads to overcommitment and exhaustion. Growth requires quality over quantity. Focus on a few important goals or tasks and give them your full energy, rather than spreading yourself too thin. This focused approach leads to deeper progress and greater satisfaction. It is also important to recognize that protecting your energy is a continuous practice, not a one-time event. Distractions will always exist, and new challenges will arise. The key is to remain vigilant and adjust your boundaries and habits as needed. Regular self-check-ins help you stay connected to your energy levels and priorities, allowing you to course correct before burnout sets in. Sometimes protecting your energy means letting go of relationships, habits, or environments that no longer serve your growth. This can be difficult because we often hold on to things out of comfort, fear, or obligation. But growth requires courage to release what drains you and make space for what uplifts you. Letting go is a powerful way to reclaim your energy and redirect it toward your goals. When you protect your energy from distractions, you create the conditions necessary for sustained personal growth. You build resilience, focus, and motivation. Your efforts become more effective because you are not constantly pulled off course. Instead, you move steadily toward your vision with clarity and confidence. Ultimately, protecting your energy is an act of self-respect. It shows that you value yourself enough to guard your time, attention, and well-being. This respect fuels your growth and helps you become the best version of yourself. Self-focus is not selfish. It enables you to serve others better. This idea challenges a common misconception that caring for yourself means you are neglecting others. In reality, focusing on yourself, your needs, growth, and well-being is the foundation for meaningful and lasting contributions to the people around you. When you neglect yourself, you risk burning out, becoming resentful, or losing the energy needed to support others. True care starts from within. When you prioritize your mental, emotional, and physical health, you build a reservoir of strength and balance. This personal well-being allows you to show up fully for others without feeling drained or overwhelmed. Imagine trying to pour from an empty cup. It simply does not work. By focusing inward and replenishing your resources, you ensure you have something valuable to give. This is not selfishness, it is responsible stewardship of your energy. Self-focus also means setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries help you protect your time, energy, and values. When you are clear about what you can and cannot give, you prevent resentment and exhaustion. Boundaries create respect in relationships because they show you value yourself and expect others to do the same. This respect builds healthier connections where support flows both ways. Personal growth through self-focus enhances your ability to empathize and understand others. When you invest in your own development, learning new skills, managing emotions, or healing past wounds, you become more patient, compassionate, and effective in helping those around you. Your experiences and insights turn into valuable tools for support and guidance. This growth multiplies your impact beyond what you could give if you were running on empty. Furthermore, focusing on yourself helps you discover your unique strengths and purpose. When you understand who you are and what you stand for, you can contribute in ways that align with your true self. This authenticity creates deeper, more meaningful connections with others. People respond to genuine care and clear purpose, which makes your service more impactful and rewarding. Self-focus also allows you to manage stress and challenges better. Life is full of demands and difficulties, and without proper care, these pressures can overwhelm you. By taking time for rest, reflection, and self-care, you build resilience. This resilience not only benefits you but also those who rely on you. When you handle stress well, you model healthy coping strategies and create a stable environment for others. Another important aspect is that self-focus encourages you to celebrate your achievements and progress. Recognizing your growth boosts confidence and motivation. When you feel good about yourself, you bring positivity into your relationships and work. This positive energy uplifts those around you, creating a cycle of encouragement and support. It is essential to remember that self-focus is not about isolation or ignoring others. It is about balance, knowing when to give and when to replenish. This balance prevents burnout and keeps your contributions sustainable over time. It also fosters mutual respect and understanding in relationships, where everyone's needs are valued. Self-focus teaches you to be honest with yourself about your limits and needs. This honesty helps you make better decisions about where to invest your time and energy. It prevents overcommitting or sacrificing your well-being for others. Being truthful with yourself creates a foundation of integrity that strengthens all your interactions. Moreover, when you focus on yourself, you inspire others to do the same. Leading by example shows that self-care is important and acceptable. This breaks harmful cultural or social norms that equate selflessness with neglecting personal needs. Your example encourages healthier habits and attitudes within your community or circle. Ultimately, self-focus is a powerful form of love for yourself and for others. It acknowledges that you are worthy of care and that your well-being matters. This love creates a ripple effect, improving not only your life but also the lives of those around you. When you take care of yourself, you build a strong foundation to serve others with kindness, patience, and generosity. When rooted in your truth, external chaos loses its power over you. Life is unpredictable and often messy. There will always be situations beyond your control, conflicts, crises, opinions, and pressures from the world around you. These external forces can shake anyone's peace and focus if you let them. But when you have a firm foundation in your own truth, your values, beliefs, and sense of purpose, these external storms lose their ability to destabilize you. You become like a tree with deep roots, standing tall through any storm. Being rooted in your truth means knowing who you are and what you stand for, even when the world tries to pull you in different directions. It requires clarity and confidence. You have a clear sense of your core principles, priorities, and boundaries. This clarity acts like an anchor, keeping you steady when everything around you feels chaotic. Without this inner foundation, it is easy to be tossed by every opinion or event, losing yourself in confusion or fear. When external chaos erupts, whether in relationships, work, or society, being rooted helps you respond wisely rather than react impulsively. You don't get swept away by rumors, drama, or negativity. Instead, you pause, reflect, and choose your response based on what aligns with your truth. This ability to respond rather than react is a sign of maturity and strength. It protects your peace and reputation. Rooting yourself in your truth also means accepting that you cannot control everything. The world will always have noise, challenges, and unpredictable elements. Trying to control or fix all of it only leads to frustration and exhaustion. Instead, focusing on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and attitude, gives you power. This acceptance reduces anxiety and increases resilience because you stop fighting against the inevitable. When you are anchored in your truth, external opinions lose their grip on your self-worth. People will always have judgments, criticisms, or expectations, but you don't have to internalize them. Knowing your value and purpose creates a shield against doubt or insecurity planted by others. This doesn't mean ignoring feedback or refusing growth. It means filtering what serves you and letting go of what doesn't. This inner rootedness also builds emotional balance. Chaos often triggers strong emotions, anger, fear, sadness. When you are grounded, you acknowledge these feelings without letting them control you. You allow yourself to feel, but don't get trapped in emotional storms. This balance helps you maintain clear thinking and peaceful relationships, even in difficult times. Being rooted in your truth gives you courage, standing firm in your beliefs, especially when they differ from the majority, requires bravery. It means you don't bend just to fit in or avoid conflict. This courage inspires respect and trust from others, because it shows authenticity and integrity. Moreover, when you are firmly grounded, you create a positive influence around you. Your calm and steady presence can be a source of comfort for others during turbulent times. People naturally gravitate towards those who are balanced and confident because they feel safe and supported. Rooting yourself in your truth requires continuous self-reflection and growth. It is not a one-time achievement, but an ongoing journey. You deepen your understanding of yourself through experiences, challenges, and learning. This process strengthens your foundation and helps you navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Sometimes chaos may challenge your truth or push you to question your beliefs. This is natural and part of growth. Being rooted does not mean rigidity or close-mindedness. It means having a strong core that is flexible enough to evolve without losing integrity. This flexibility allows you to adapt while staying true to your essential values. When external chaos loses power over you, you gain freedom. Freedom from fear, anxiety, and the need for approval. Freedom to live authentically, according to your own design. This freedom brings peace and joy that no external circumstance can take away. In essence, being rooted in your truth transforms how you experience life. It turns chaos into opportunity, pressure into strength, and uncertainty into confidence. You become the calm center in the storm, a beacon of steadiness and hope for yourself and others.